Hello guys, my name is Devesh and welcome to my channel. In the last tutorial we saw how to do the setup of Python environment on our system. In the next couple of lectures we will learn the data types in Python. Let us start with the first data type, that is the numeric data type. The numeric data type comprises of three types: integer, float and complex. Integers are the numbers without fractional component, that is, they are the complete number like 1, 2, -1. Float are basically the decimal numbers which have a number followed by a decimal and a number like 1.2, 1.3, 3.14, etc. etc. Complex number are the numbers which have two parts, real part and imaginary part. They are usually written as a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers and I is the imaginary part. For instance, 2 plus 3i is a complex number. For the sake of learning, don't worry too much about complex number. As a developer, you won't be needing them too much. So here are the operators in Python along with their symbol. Please note, for division we use /, and for multiplication we use asterisk mark. For power we use double asterisk mark, and for addition and subtraction we use normal plus and minus symbol. With this information, let's go to our terminal and PyCharm, where we will learn how to perform some operation on these data types. Here are some examples for integer type, that is int type. All these numbers do not have fractional part, hence they are int. (1.2) minus 1.2, 3.142. Since all these three numbers have decimal or the fractional part in them, hence they are of float type. 5 plus 3j, this is an example of complex number. As you can see on the screen, we can also launch Python terminal from PyCharm, and here is our Python terminal. Now let's learn what are variables in Python. A variable in Python is a reserved memory location to store some value. So you can simply take a variable x and assign it a value 5. So the Python memory manager knows that there is a variable called x and it holds the value 5. Now note that everything in Python is an object. When you say x is equal to 5, an object of 5 is created in the memory. Now let us take another variable y is equal to 6 and do addition x plus y. It should return me 11. Note that variables are case sensitive. Small x and capital X are two different variables for Python. So if you write capital X, it will give us name error saying name x is not defined, whereas small x will return you 5. So now let's take another example. Z is equal to x plus y. When I type z, z is assigned the value of addition of x plus y, that is 11. Now let's do z is equal to x multiplied by y, that is 5 into 5 into 6, 25 times 650. Let's do something like 2 plus 5 multiplied by 12 divided by 2. What do you think should be the answer? Well, it's 32.0. The reason is that division takes precedence over multiplication, which takes precedence over addition and subtraction. So that was a lot of information. I will see you at the next lecture where we will learn about strings.